I will be using the book, Can You See Mole from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, you can use any decodable book that focuses on O, consonant E, the long O sound. I'm going to be saying some words. I want you to use your ears and listen very carefully and tell me, what sound do you hear that's alike in each of these words? I will say the word, you will echo. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Hole, joke, note. What sound did you hear that was alike in each one of those words? You're right. You heard O. Let's get our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we say O. Grab your mirror, hold it right up to your mouth and say O. What's happening? What's your mouth doing? You're right. Your mouth is open and your lips are round. Your tongue starts at the bottom and then it moves up and to the back. Now, let's say this sound again, but put your hand on your throat and see if you can feel a buzzing or vibration. Let's do it together. Here we go. Oh. Did you feel that? So did I. So we know that O is a voice sound, and when we make it, our mouth is open, our lips are round, our tongue starts at the bottom and then it moves up and to the back. And we know that O is a voice sound. Nice job. Go ahead and put your mirrors away. Now, I'm going to write some words on the board, and I need you to use your eyes and tell me what two letters are just alike in each of these words. While I write, you start looking, because here I go. H-O-L-E, J-O-K-E, N-O-T-E. What two letters do you see that are just alike in each of these words? You're right. You see O and E in each one of these words. What do you know about O and E? That's right. You are so smart. You know that O and E are both vowels. Let's look a little closer because there's a lot going on that we need to learn about. So what happens after the O? What do you see after the O and before the E? You see a L, and L is a consonant. After the O and before the E, you see a K. And you know that K is a consonant. And finally, after this O and before this E, you see a T. And T is a consonant. So when you have an O, a consonant, and an E, the E is at the very end of the word. And we know that when E is at the end of a word, it is silent. It never makes a sound. But it has an important job to do because we know that vowels make two sounds. So it's going to tell the O to say its name or to make the long O sound. So when you see an O consonant E, like you do in each one of these words, the E will be silent and the O will say its name, O. Today, we're going to focus our learning on O consonant E. Let's read these words. Hole, joke, note. When you read the book, Can You See Mole? You'll have a chance to see many O consonant E words. And we know that when we see O consonant E, the E is silent and the O is saying its name, O. which is the long vowel sound. We also know that when we make the O sound, our mouth is open, our lips are round, our tongue starts at the bottom and then moves up and to the back, and we know that O is a voice sound. Thank you so much for joining me today, and remember, you've got this.